Smiling, smiling, smiling. Try it. It's an interesting thing to smile, isn't it? And to greet yourself with a smile. On this day 2 of 64 ways and days toward nonviolence and peace, smiling is one of the things that brings peace most quickly. I wonder, when you look in the mirror, first thing in the morning, or any time you look at a reflective surface, do you frown? Do you droop? Do you fix something? Fix that little piece of hair or that piece of wardrobe, and then smile as if, having made this adjustment, there is greater peace in your world. I'm challenging you to be able to look yourself straight in the mirror first thing in the morning, everything out of place, completely disheveled, no makeup on, tired, feeling like, and smile and connect with yourself. You know, most of us treat our pets better than we treat each other and ourselves. The moment we see our pet, a smile comes to our face and we're like, hi, hi, hi. And our pet is like, hi. Yeah. Can you look at yourself and treat yourself at least as nicely as your pet does? Or a child? Smile. Gaze into your own eyes and appreciate, smile. Drop your face, remove your smile. Notice in this scale of techniques that I have behind me in acting the Michael Chekhov way, that we begin with expanding and contracting. And maybe a lot of people think that a smile is very expanding, but notice that as my mouth may be expanding, my eyes are actually crinkling. A true smile crinkles the eyes. So we have this polarity built into the smile. We can contract, and we do contracting giggles and smiles, and we can expand in them as well. And giving yourself a smile is the first step to giving yourself peace of non-judgment, relieving nonviolent, bringing nonviolent thought into your body, relieving yourself of violent thoughts and aggressions and wishes about yourself. And when you can move into a field of acceptance for yourself with a smile, it's a point from which you can begin to open to smiling with the world. When was the last time you really connected and smiled with a person serving you, with a person who held the door open for you, with a person in the parking lot who was kind enough to pass you their grocery basket, for the person who helped you find the lane to check out in? Can you connect and smile? Allow the smile to fill your body. Take that smile away and feel what happens. What happens in your thinking, your feeling, and your willing force? What happens in your sense of weight, your sense of earth, water, air, and light? What happens? And how does that shift if you bring a smile? And where does this smile begin? What if you began your smile in your pelvis and just took this heavy weight that's just bearing down on your lower body, this dropping, falling into, this yielding to gravity and letting it pull you in, falling like the Three Sister sensations. And if you smile with your pelvis, putting your center in your pelvis and bring a smile to it, does it bring you more upright? Does it bring you into alignment? Is it easier for you to breathe? A smile in your chest, in your rib cage. A smile in your voice. Especially if you're an artist who's singing, an artist who's doing voiceover, especially in commercially based voiceover, putting a smile in your voice makes a huge difference in how it sounds to the listener. The smile. The smile is, in terms of gesture, a kind of lift. Oh, and today, by the way, is a Saturday, and it's Saturn Day, and the color is blue, and the letter is ooh, ooh. Can you see the smile in that? Ooh. Yes, there is a kind of ooh in that shape. And there's a nice kind of smile built right into the goblet. Yeah. The smile, it's really economical. I mean, it's so affordable. It doesn't cost anything, but a little bit of will to allow yourself to smile, to make connection. Try smiling today. Try smiling for no reason. Try gazing into your own eyes and smiling at you. Even naked would be great. Not doing that online, but I highly advise it. Smile at another. Warmth. And we don't need to be cheesy. You know, in cheesy smiles, the eyes often don't get crinkly, right? Cheesy smiles would push, and a true smile becomes more of a lift, a greater sense of floating in the Three Sisters, a sense of weightlessness. And indeed, when you smile, you lift the weight of the world off your shoulders. Bring a smile into the world as a pathway to greater peace. Greater peace everywhere you go will ignite a radiant flow. Imagine the atmosphere filled with smiles. And you have a special opportunity if you enter an environment where the atmosphere is intense and dark. You can bring the light of your smile into that space. You don't have to do anything extra beyond allowing your whole being to smile. And it will radiate through and across the space, fill the atmosphere with the light of radiance and the warmth of your heart. And this will bring greater peace to you and all with whom you contact. And then you can combine your smile with that gesture of courage and move forward into the world, taking action toward greater peace.